In today's class, we are going to study about acute and chronic disease. What is meant by acute and chronic disease, or the differences between these acute and chronic disease. So, acute diseases are those diseases which last for a very short period of time and can be cured easily. Such type of diseases are called acute disease. Whereas chronic diseases are those diseases which last for a long period of time, or even we can say it will last for the entire lifetime of a person. Such type of diseases are called chronic diseases. Now let us discuss or differentiate these in terms of duration, effects, and with the help of example. So when we talk about duration, as I have already mentioned, acute diseases will last for a very short period of time and can be cured easily. Chronic diseases are those diseases which last for a very long period of time or till the end of that person or the lifetime of a person. Now, the impact caused by these acute diseases will have only minor impact in our body, whereas the chronic diseases the impact caused by chronic diseases are major. Now, in case of acute diseases, we can see that the patient may not get much weight loss or much tiredness in case of acute diseases, or there will be no problem of short breath, or the diseases can be cured very easily. Whereas in case of chronic diseases, the patient may get weight loss or even short of breath and feel tiredness. And the effect caused by acute diseases will remain in our body for a short period. Whereas the effect caused or the impact caused by chronic diseases will the patient has to suffer for the entire lifetime. So these are the major differences between acute and chronic diseases. Now, when we talk about example, see, acute diseases, the mild fever, common cold, etc. are examples for acute diseases, whereas chronic diseases, the tuberculosis, then cancers, then elephantiasis, etc. are such type of diseases which will end up till the end of the life of the person. So such type of diseases are called chronic diseases. So here, let me talk the points regarding acute diseases. Once again, let me revise. See, the acute diseases for a short period of time, the effect caused by acute diseases are minor. Now, the patient may not feel weight loss or may not feel tired. I mean, major tiredness the patient will not feel in case of acute disease, and the effect will be short term. Now, when we talk about the chronic diseases, it will last for a very long period of time and the effect caused will be major. That is, it will cause major impact on the body and the general health of the body will get affected. General health of the patient may get affected. Then the patient may get weight loss or short of breath, or the patient may feel tiredness. Then it has a very long effect on the body. Now, examples for acute diseases are common cold and mild fever are all examples for acute diseases. Whereas in case of chronic diseases, elephantiasis, tuberculosis, cancers, these are all examples for chronic diseases. Now, the questions you can expect from this portion are, what are the type of diseases on the basis of their duration? So, you can write on the basis of their duration, the diseases are grouped into acute and chronic diseases, and you can write the definition also. Those diseases which last for a long period of time are called chronic diseases, and its differences like long-term impact, tiredness, etc. Whereas the diseases which will last for a short period of time are called acute diseases. Examples like a common cold, mild fever, etc. These are all the points you have to write regarding on the basis of their duration. Now state the differences between acute and chronic diseases. Same like you can make a column to differentiate what are the points you have to write under acute diseases, like short period of acute diseases, it will last for a short period, minor impact, the patient may not feel weight loss or much short of breath or will not feel tiredness. Whereas in case of chronic disease, you can write that it will last for a long period of time. It will cause major impact on the body. The patient may feel weight loss and even short of breath, and the impact will be long term. So you can write the differences between acute and chronic diseases. Now in next class we can study about in detail regarding chronic diseases, its impact, how what are the preventive measures, all these things we can study in next class.